tayo?
Second floor.
So, iwan yung gamit dito o sa CR na?
Ito na. Tsaka nagpipilates. Okay. Tapos na ang gym, tapos na ang sauna. Now we'll do a quick breakfast. Kita ba? Ay,
Yeah. So, we have a wrap.
ano yun? Yeah,
We have a wrap.
ibaon tayo.
Yes.
Ibaon kami.
It's made of egg, ham, tomatoes, spring onions, and spinach. Okay lang. So, medyo pumunod naman.
Hindi ito. Pero hindi siya malamig.
Palit tayo.
Okay na, okay. Bawasin naman. So, mag-sit muna tayo. Mag-sit muna tayo. Kukuha ng wipes. Bibing ng wipes.
Mamaya na siguro yung wipes kasi mabigat no. Ano muna tayo, mag-stay muna tayo software. Kasi di ba gagawa ka ng script?
So hindi na tayo mag-West End. Okay lang naman.
Oo. Kasi siguro next, pagbalik na lang natin from Melbourne.
Okay.
Kasi ano na yun, sayang. Kailangan din, kasi babalik din tayo ng city. Parang pabalik-balik.
Sige. No
What do
problem.
you think?
Looking for the next spot. 10 a.m. Brisbane City. 10:19.
Going to coffee anthology.
Coffee Anthology. Do some work. Weekend work. And insurance. Health insurance stuff. So just be down here.
So,
Overexposed ata. Ay, sige, go.
so they're saying this is the best coffee, di ba?
Best
In
coffee.
Queensland.
Queensland?
Ay,
Grabe
ba
naman.
or- Hindi kasi may parang award eh.
Ah,
Na best coffee.
okay,
Or yan.
let's see. Let's take a look. It's always busy.
Yeah,
Ready to-
tao. Ayun, always see through the feed.
52 minutes pala yung call ko. Just finished a 52-minute call. Well, mostly waiting naman yan. Waiting time. Siguro 20 to 25 minutes yung waiting. Kasi nasa queue. Plus it's Saturday. So baka konti yung tao ngayon. It was from Westpac. And because we were trying to transfer some money to an investment account na Perler, they had some questions. So, which is good. Natuwa nga ako eh, na nilock nila agad yung account. Kasi malaki yung pera, mga 5 digits. Right? Tapos, nalala ko yung main focus ng branding or advertisements ng Westpac ngayon is fraud protection, secure, should be security. So, I was expecting it a little bit. Nakataon lang na, kasi 5 transactions in total yung ginawa ko. Yung first 2, na malaki din, lumusod. Tapos napunta siya sa corner. Pero yung 3 transactions, yun yung na-flag. Tapos pinanilak nila agad yung account. So, kaya sila tinawag. Tapos yun, mabait naman yung si Sammy yung kausap ko, si Kuya Sammy. And ang dami niyang questions. And all investment questions. Feel ko parang siyang interview. He just wants to know kung alam yung ginagawa mo. Tapos yung bakit ngayon nag-start. Sabi ko kasi we've been preparing for this for a long time. Kasi kita niya yung savings accounts natin, syempre, yung balances. Sabi niya, bakit ngayon? Why today? Why not next week? Blah, blah. So, explain ko na, more background on ourselves. Nag-apply tayo sa PR. And mas maganda kung we start before we're ready. Kasi na-explain ko yung 10-year plan. Sabi ko din na may accounts ako sa Pilipinas. na brokers, to split, tanong niya, may account ka na pala sa stake, bakit ka gumawa ng further? Yung mga ganun, parang, ano na, talagang he wants, I guess, they want the human answers na, okay, specific to for our case. Tapos yan, as long as wala ka namang kakaibang sinasabi, and you're just being honest, wala sila ano, I mean, yeah. So on our side, I know, that's what I mean, it is on our side. So sabi ko sa kanya after the call, I'm very happy that's pa customer.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so hinintay ko na lang ma-unlock kasi ika-cancel niya daw yung 3 accounts, 3 transactions, ika-cancel niya.
Oh, even the...
Hindi, tapos na yun. Tapos na yun, lumusot na yun eh. Basta yung na-block nila ng 3 transactions. Kasi 5, di ba? Yung 3 pending, yun yung iba-block niya, ika-cancel niya. Ulitin ko na lang daw. Tapos, yeah, I should receive an email or survey with the call, ano hinandel. Okay, yeah, happy. Let's stick with Vespa. Waiting outside Uniqlo. Shopping si Mika na clothes or something. Ano yung bigay?
This one.
So,
Just got one. Because I can't eat too many.
yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Where are we going?
Ha?
Uwi na tayo?
Yeah.
Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo after a long.
Yeah.
Nasa next start? For 8?
No, we left, I think, eat something. Yung kasi yung bus natin kanina was 8:15.
Bakit magalang pa 8?
Ano naman? So, wait.
Baka maglaro na nasa. Ang mga-check na din.
But we have to fix Xbox. We have to go to 8.
Ay, Kaya pa, kaya ba mo muna, di ba?
Of course. Hindi, sabi ko, I mean, sabi ko, mamaya yung puso.
Tapos kami naman. So,
Para kung bugs, mas konti na rin natin. Kung ginuto ka, linis ka na ba? Kung pa nga nag-linis yun. Ulit na nag-linis na sinasabi ko.
okay.